I'm Brittany with WTI, and I really appreciate being able to keep my spaces clean, whether I'm traveling or camping. We are moving cross country, and that means our car is going to get dirty. So this WOKEGI cordless vacuum made keeping our car clean during that trek so much easier. It is very powerful. It's got great suction and great attachments to clean all of those little crevices. It also blows the other end so you can put the needle nozzle to get stuff out of certain crevices. You can also use this to help start a fire if you are camping, which is what we did on our way to our destination. You can also give another attachment and blow dust that accumulates on your car so you don't have to wash it. This is very easy to wash. You can clean all of the special nozzles, the filter, so that it lasts a good long time. We needed to do packing, so we had a lot of vacuum sealed bags. This vacuum came in so handy. Often we have to use the dustpan to clean the inside of our tent, but this was so easy to not have to worry about that. While you were staying in the tent still, you can clean up the mess, and then when you were packing up and you need to give the tent a good clean, so handy to have. It stores easily in the back of your car if you have space for that, or you can throw it in a tool bin in the garage. You just charge it up and it can go anywhere you go, in your car, in your tent, in your home. And that's my point of view.